Hey, Wiggles. Hey, Mia, what you doing?
Drawing.
What you doing? Oh, that's,
A
whoa!
Christmas tree.
That's really good. Can I try?
Sure.
Right. Let's see. I can do this. Oh, that's the wrong color.
Get black. Oh. What did you do that for? No.
The Mona Lisa.
You can't see it. Let's zoom in.
It's the Mona Lisa.
Majesticness in a jar.
I think it's really terrible. So, let me do another
Yeah, it
one.
actually does kind of look.
Let me make a new canvas. All right, here we go.
Oh, you got the wrong color.
Huh?
You gotta get black or get brownish. Oh. Ooh, that looks really good. I feel like I've seen that before, but it might just be me.
I don't know. This doesn't look very good. No. I don't know what he's thinking. Mia.
I know.
So bare.
So sad.
So naked.
Yes, Ronan, yes. We must clothe this naked cookie.
I think I know how we shall clothe this cookie.
How?
We put a thin layer of white frosting with maybe some black frosting on top, some black sprinkles, maybe 2 eyes and a carrot nose, and it will be a snowman.
Really? Are you sure he'll like that?
Well, what's your idea?
I feel as if we should place a thin layer of red frosting and a little bit of white too, and then add some black and white sprinkles to make the cookie look like Santa Claus.
No, I feel like as if he would like to be a snowman.
But if he were Santa Claus, he could give us infinite presents.
But if he were a snowman, we could have an infinite amount of slushies.
My idea's better.
My idea's better.
But he obviously wants to be Santa Claus!
No, in my eyes, he wants to be a snowman.
All right. Okay, we need to settle this argument. I was listening from the other room, and I think I have a great idea.
Well, how?
Another baking battle.
Let's do it.
Let's lay out the rules. 1, each baker will have only 20 minutes to decorate their set of cookies. 2, they each have the same amount of frosting, the same amount of candies and confectioners, and the same cookies. 3, you can cut your cookies into different shapes. And 4, the winner will receive an exclusive, limited edition Christmas Jude Bug sandwich.
It's an elf hat, Mia. It's obviously
It's
Santa.
a witch hat!
All right, go. All right, so that's a chicken. Now, guys, this is a mixing bowl, so we can mix things.
If we
All right,
want
let me
purple.
think. Let me just kind of just like give. Yeah.
So apparently this is a sleigh, so that's why I made it.
Look, it's a chicken.
It looks like a chicken. That's what my first thought was.
All right, so on the star, what's usually on the star?
Stars, little mini stars. Because why not?
Yes. So
Are
we'll
they
use
even-
white because some stars are white. If you didn't know, some are blue. But we want to add something to
The
that.
blue stars are the hottest stars.
No, the white stars are the hottest stars, right? No, the blue stars. No, the blue stars are the hottest stars.
Yeah, because red is like the least hot, and then orange.
Yeah,
is
it
the
like
color.
defies all color. But
Yeah.
all right, numeros uno.
Or the hair. He won't have any hairs. Oh, excuse my alarms.
It's party time.
Again. I'm just taking my.
Let me see.
I only have
The chicken. All right, chickens are usually brown.
They're usually.
Sometimes they're white, but sometimes you have a brown chicken, so.
Yeah, I mean, we have multicolored chickens. We have black chickens, we have
You have a black
gray
chicken?
chickens.
That's rare.
Yeah. We have black and white white speckled one. We have orange chicken.
Do you call him Speckle?
No,
Speckly?
actually, we call her
Oh, what do you call them?
Ruth. We call the
Ruth,
black and white
I like
speckled
that.
one Ruth. Because
What are your chickens named after?
the reasoning behind Ruth is because we got Ruth the day that Ruth Bader Ginsburg passed away. And so,
That is very, very, very smart.
yeah, so we named her after Ruth
That's smart.
Bader Ginsburg.
All right.
Because why not?
All right, so we have our brown for the chicken.
Slay,
It's a chicken. My mom says it's a sleigh. I think it's a chicken. And I can believe.
I think it's a chicken too, but I'm making it a sleigh just in case. We don't want to get points deducted for having a chicken.
But chickens are better than sleighs.
Well, not true. I don't like our chickens. They're loud.
Okay, well, I will agree with that, but. These are our neighbor's Christmas cutters, and because ours are away in a box, so.
Because Ronan is sadly moving away.
But we have a lot of things planned for like Zoom call baking challenges. So joy to the world. Joy to the world. You know what I'm gonna do with my thing? I think he's gonna have a suit and tie. He's gonna have a blue suit and tie. He's gonna be part of the Blue Man Group. Yep, that's how it's working. He's gonna be part of the Blue Man Group. I have a good idea with this mitten. I just need you guys to watch closely. Because my idea for this mitten, I thought was so ingenious. And Mia's gonna kind of cry when she discovers what I did.
Okay.
You cannot go back and change it.
Well, I already did my mitten.
Okay.
What are you making a mailbox?
No. Not even close. Just watch closely. Mia will eventually realize what I'm doing and cry.
No, I won't.
Because it's so good.
It's your own idea.
No. Every time we decorate Christmas cookies, every year, the table is an absolute hurricane. Hurricane tortilla! Mia, what's this?
Santa Claus.
No. It's a really bad Among Us character.
Why would I cry about that? I don't want it to look like that.
But it's genius. Guys, I'm done. You have 1 minute left, Mia.
You have 1 minute left, Ronan.
Alright. The time is ticking. Tick tock.
Stop, please. You're making me rush. You're making me rush.
Tick tock. Tick tock. No, you have 1 minute, so you're good. Alright, guys, we're almost done. Let me go through what I have. So,
Look at what Ronan is.
alright, let me take you guys over. Alright, 45 seconds left.
Stop, Ronan.
Okay. Alright, so you got my beautiful Christmas wreath, star, tree, chicken, Christmas hat, and Blue Man Group person. And then you have a very depressed Christmas tree, some sort of glove, a gingerbread man with a very, very good looking toupee, a star, a wreath, a sleigh. Mia, you have 10 seconds left.
Are you kidding?
Yep. I'm not, seriously, you have 10 seconds left.
Yeah, I know. Obviously.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done! Alright, guys, we're done. Mia, no. Oh.
Yeah.
You didn't complete one of your cookies.
It broke.
That's a point minus for you. Alright, guys, we're gonna.
Boom, I finished
Let's
it.
go to the judging. Let's do this.
That's me.
All right, we have 2 plates. The judges do not know whose is whose.
Wait, Miss Amanda knows whose is whose because she was here.
Yes,
No.
but Miss Michelle doesn't.
I don't know.
Oh.
I wasn't out here when you guys were
So
decorating.
here's the thing. You're going to look at them and you're going to judge them by plate. You're going to choose a plate that has the better decorations.
Okay.
Go ahead and choose. You're judging whatever.
Okay, I really like the dinosaurs or the buttons.
Me too. Good eye, Jensen.
Love the glare for the bottom.
Do you know what this is?
What?
I think that's a wreath.
Oh yeah.
Looks like a bow. on a wreath.
I love the star.
I like that the sleigh has 2 colors.
Oh yeah. I really like that you mixed yellow and blue in, and the Christmas tree. You
It has a grumpy face.
Oh, right. Ooh, I love that the wreath has lots of glitter on it.
the same star, but more sprinkles.
Yeah, more sprinkles is always a good thing.
Okay, way more sprinkles on.
I feel like the Blue Man. Is that the Blue Man group? Oh, it's the drummer from the Blue Man group. Excellent. And is that a broken drumstick going up? Maybe. I like how what do you think about the tree? You think that's pretty good?
I like the tree.
Yeah. All right.
Yep. That
You
kind of
can
looks
eat
like
it,
a
Ronan.
Hogwarts hat.
It does.
See, one person thought this was a witch hat, and one person thought it was an elf hat. So we didn't know who was whose. So.
I think it looks like a sorting hat.
Yeah.
It could
And
be
then
brown.
one person's hat broke, so they had to trash it.
All right, so
I can't do. I don't.
so have you looked at all the cookies and judged all the cookies?
Yep.
What do you think?
Jensen, which plate do you think has the most beautifully decorated cookies?
Why don't we do a vote?
Yeah,
A
I
vote.
have to agree. I think this one is best as well.
All right, Mia wins. Guys, it's a chicken.
It's a chicken.
The eyes.
Look, when we
It's
first
a
saw
chicken.
this, we thought this was a chicken, and Miss Amanda said it was a slice. So I'm gonna make a slice.
Mom,
Okay,
can I
but you put the eyes there. That's the butt of the chicken.
No,
this
that's-
would obviously
That's
be
the
the
butt of
face.
the chicken.
Hey, can I have one, please?
You ate the chicken butt.
Yeah, the chicken.
I want one.
No.
Hey, Ronan,
Please.
guess what? Please, Mommy. Chicken butts.
That's fun.
Agreed.
Yeah. Wait a second.
What?
We never closed the naked cookie.
You know, you're right. Let's use magic to bring him back.
All right.
Hopefully magic isn't gonna break just yet.
Oh, he's all cracked up. Oh,
What?
it's like a puzzle. Let's see.
It looks like a carrot.
What?
It does? Yeah.
What does a carrot have to do with Christmas?
IDK.
What?
IDK.
What?
No!